Hello students, today we are going to see the topic of capital budgeting. So it is a tool which is used for investment evaluation, which will help you judge risk versus rewards that business can get. Okay. Now let us start with the meaning. What is meant by capital budgeting? So basically capital budgeting is a process which is used for evaluating long-term capital investment projects, okay, and to check if they are worth investing or not based on certain parameters. So basically it is a decision making process which involves comparison of cash inflows and cash outflows, which also makes use of a time value of money so that you can compare present value of outflow with the present value of cash inflows earned in the future. So basically capital budgeting will help you evaluate profitability of different projects and then to select the best one. So what are the different decisions which are done under the capital budgeting? So you can see the examples. Number one, capital investment. When somebody wants to start the business or somebody wants to expand the business, he may be thinking of doing investment in different machineries, different plants, equipments, land building, etc. So all these investment proposals will be termed as capital investments. So sometimes it may happen that you are actually using some or the other kind of a machinery and you want to replace that machine with a new technological machine. So that decision will also be a part of a capital budgeting decision. When your business is growing so fast and you want to expand the plan, that also will come under capital budgeting decision. So basically capital budgeting will help you identify the profitable projects and then think about the resources that you may have to make arrangements for. Okay, so this is how the capital budgeting will help you identify different alternatives and then the select best one. So it will also include some mutual exclusive proposal where you will be selecting only one proposal, and capital rationing projects where you have so many different projects, but when it comes to organizational investment there are some limiting factors or constraints on investments. Okay. Next slide will help you understand why this capital budgeting is so much important in business. First thing, that capital budgeting refers to the long-term investment which is made in the fixed assets. Okay. So these are the irreversible decisions. Why they are irreversible? You can find that there are large amount of funds which are required. So almost lakhs and crores of rupees that you are investing in different machines and equipments, and that is the main reason why these decisions are irreversible, and such decisions are going to impact business for long. Okay. So based on future earnings that you are evaluating all these proposals, and with future we know that there is certain amount of risk associated and uncertainty makes it difficult for you to proposals. Now there are different techniques which you are going to use for doing this budgeting. So these techniques can basically be categorized into traditional techniques and modern techniques. Traditional techniques or classical techniques will include simple payback period method, accounting or average rate of return method, whereas modern or discounting techniques will make use of time value of money, and they are more relevant in today's times when things are changing so fast. You are supposed to make use of all these different discounting techniques to select the projects. To start with, there are so many different techniques involved in discounting techniques: present value of money, internal rate of return method, profitability index method, and then discounting payback period method. So in next lectures we are going to cover more details about all these methods and the decision criteria which are used under these methods. So hope you understood basically what is meant by capital budgeting. Thank you.